Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the channel of Dion Feldi Cuino. If you want to learn more about politics, public governance, and how corrupt are they here in the Philippines, just go ahead and subscribe on this channel. Marami kang matututunan sa mga bagay-bagay na yan. And if you also want to learn more about technology and technocracy, please go ahead. Search the guy, it's on YouTube, Dion Feldi Cuino. Then click subscribe and follow more for more updates and live. For now, this morning, gusto kong i-relay yung information that I was able to gather on the boundary of Hazan, especially in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Just like what I have told you in the previous live session, there is a secret war happening between Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and its neighbor countries, which is Yemen, and Hazan is the boundary of it. If you want to know more about it, I won't disclose it here in the short videos. I'd rather talk to you guys via live video and share the information that I was able to get. And if you want to learn more about go ahead and subscribe on this channel. And also don't forget to search my work in web novel. I called it Extrajudicial Killing. It is available online. Just go ahead, search web novel, and then go Extrajudicial Killing. And the other thing is, you can also search my work on Royal Road. It is available. There I wrote a book which is called as The Paranoia series. And you can learn more about why the government is so corrupt. And why is it that there is a word extrajudicial killing. That's it guys, thank you. Anong tawag na to in Tagalog, wag kayong maumay o wag kayong magsawang mag-view o kaya naman panoorin yung mga short videos ko. Short videos ni Dion Feldi Cuino, because lahat ho yan are legit.